Hello everyone, welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. It's like as we all know, it's New Year around the corner. I'm going to show you a very special recipe of gajar ka halwa today. Wow, look at these carrots, all these things. As soon as we hear about gajar ka halwa, especially in winters, we feel so good. It's so tasty, it's so healthy also. Just made with little bit of sweets, but still it's a great way to celebrate our New Year. So let's start making it. These are the ingredients. This is around 2.5 kgs of carrots. I've grated them. 2.5 kgs peeled and grated. This is khoya or mawa, which we call. This is around 200 grams. I've mashed it. This is sugar, or almost around 200 grams. Ghee is also around 200 grams to 250 grams. These are all nuts, pistachios. These are cardamom seeds, which I've crushed them roughly. These are other nuts, almonds and cashews. And this is khaskhas, poppy seeds, which is going to give it a very, very good flavor. So let's start making it. We would also need milk for this. This is around 2.5 liters of milk. So I'm going to use around almost 1.5 liters for these carrots. I've taken this big pan, and now I'm going to add this 1 scoop of ghee now, and I'll keep adding slowly and slowly. Just let's heat this up a little bit. As the ghee is melting now, we are going to add these crushed cardamom seeds. These are around 6 to 7 cardamoms, which I have taken the seeds out of it. It's hot now. I'm going to add these carrots to it. See, I've put all these carrots. Now I'm going to roast these carrots for 2 to 3 minutes in this ghee. I will just keep trying to mix all these, and the flame is high. I'm going to keep the flame medium high for next 2 to 3 minutes. See, these carrots have been reduced. They have gone down now because it has this carrot juice has been released. See, can you see? So I'm still going to roast it a little bit more. Then I'm going to add sugar. I've just kept on roasting it, like turning it. So just keep doing for next few minutes. See, it's been few minutes now. I've roasted these carrots. They are roasted properly. Next I'm going to add this sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, whichever is available of your choice, and also the sweetness you can keep according to your taste. Now again, because this sugar is also going to release its water, so we have to again cook this. Just leave it for few minutes on medium high flame. Mix it once and just leave it for few minutes, so this water is evaporated properly. It will be dried up then. See, I've roasted these carrots now. The sugar water is also gone now. See, you can see this, everything has dried up because I've roasted for around 4 to 5 minutes on medium high flame. Now next I'm going to add this khoya or mawa. Also we have to mix this properly. Again 2 to 3 minutes. Just try to mash it. See how nice it looks. Look at the color with ghee and everything. It looks very, very nice. I'm going to add more ghee in between 2 to 3 times. Just keep roasting. The mawa is also dissolved now properly. I'm going to add this 1 tablespoon of khaskhas or poppy seeds. Just mix it quickly. Now the turn comes of milk. I'm going to add milk. I'm going to add around 1 liter around. See how wonderful it looks. This milk, we have to reduce this milk fully. Then we have to roast it again with ghee. That's it. I've added around 1.5 liters of milk. Now we have to boil this on high flame for a few minutes, and then it will reduce on slow flame. So this milk has been reduced quite a lot now, but still it's there, so I'm going to roll this for a few more minutes until this milk gets reduced completely. I'll just keep roasting it, and the flame is quite high. Just stir in between just to check that doesn't stick at the bottom. So this milk is reduced now completely. How wonderful it looks with khoya and everything. It is very soft now. It's cooked also quite a lot. Just I've kept stirring it in between, and this milk is reduced now. Next I'm going to add ghee again, the leftover ghee. It's going to make it very rich. Nuts, some of these pistachios. Again I'm going to mix it. Wow, it looks so rich and nice. See the color? The fragrance is completely divine. It's awesome. It needs few more minutes because we have just added ghee. So we just need to cook it again for a few minutes, and then it will be ready on medium-low flame. We'll just roast this. How wonderful it looks. I've just garnished it with pistachios. This is amazing. Look at the texture, look at the color. It's wonderful. It's perfect sweet to start your new year. Please do try and comment. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A very happy new year to everyone. Thanks for watching.